Hello everyone, welcome back to another video where we will get, as you can see, we are using DeepSeek version 4 Pro inside Claude Code. As you can see, let's check this model. Okay, you can select these top models and use it, and these are for the free tiers you can use. Don't worry for the card or subscription. I will show you step by step how to configure it and how to use it. So let's get started. Okay, to use it inside these top models. Okay, there are top models that you can use inside Claude Code. So for that, let's just come here to the Chrome browser and or any other browser, search here for Claude Code. So after searching this, you will see the first repository. As you can see, free Claude Code from Ali Shahryar. So open this repository. So after opening this GitHub repository, as you can see at the right corner, it has 33.5k stars, 5.1k fork, and just come here down to see the installation guide. Free Claude Code. And this is the star history, what you will get. And we will move to the start. Okay, to install it. So to install it, for that, for the Mac, this is the command for Mac and Linux, and for the Windows, as I am using Windows operating system, so I will copy this command. Copy this command, come here, and I will open PowerShell. Let's open this. So after opening this, let's just increase the size, paste this command and press enter. So after pressing enter, so it will install Claude and install UV and also Python. It will install all these three things. I have already installed them and run this command. As you can see, let's press enter, so it will start installation. So it has completed installing. Okay, as you can see, Claude Code already found on path, and also UV already installed, and Python, and also it updated the Python some packages. So after completing this setup and running this command, now it says start with proxy FCC server. As we can move here and FCC server. So let's copy this command and run it here. So let's first of all clear it, and we will paste that here and press enter. So it will start the server. If the server didn't start, close once the PowerShell and relaunch it. As you can see, it is starting the server right now. So as you can see, it has opened the admin section for us, and this is the GUI module, and run in the browser on ET82 porter, on localhost 8082 porter. So here right now the open router and NVIDIA NIM is already configured. So if whenever you run it for the first time, so just open router will be configured. So to configure NVIDIA NIM, so for configuring this, we need the API key, and we will paste that here and apply it. So for that, let's open the NVIDIA build, search for build.nvidia.com, this website. So after opening this, now let's move to the browser. So here you can find different models, the top models which are provided by NVIDIA NIM for free. You can use it. So as you can see, these are all the free models. You can filter it here also, but we will search for DeepSeek version 4. DeepSeek version, just simply search DeepSeek. As you can see, we have DeepSeek version 4 Flash and DeepSeek version 4 Pro. Both of these are available for free. As you can see, the free endpoint badge at the end, at the right corner. So let's press this DeepSeek version 4 Pro. So before using this, you need to have an account inside this NVIDIA. So here I have already created my account and logged in. So you should create your account. After creating your account, you need to verify your account through PUN number. So just verify your PUN number. So after verifying that, you can create API key here, or you can simply press this generate API key. So it will generate an API key for you. So let's press this generate API key. So it will generate one for us. As you can see here, the API key has been generated. This is our API key. Let's copy this API key and go to this GUI and paste that here. After pasting that, press apply. So it will apply and configure your NVIDIA NIM. So after configuring that, now come here to the model configuration. So for the model configuration, so as you can see, I have configured it already for DeepSeek version 4 Pro. If you want to use any other model, just come here. As you can see here, this is the model name. Okay, DeepSeek version 4. Just simply say search for DeepSeek here, so it will just give you like, let's DeepSeek version 4. So simply let's copy this DeepSeek version 4 free. Let's copy this and paste it here. So let's apply it. So the model will invalid DeepSeek. Yeah, before this we need to write NVIDIA. Okay, like yeah, I think that was something like this. Just simply come here. Yeah, NVIDIA NIM. This will be the default. As you can, the default, this will be the default, but we will copy this NVIDIA NIM and paste it before the model. Come here and let's paste it here and press enter. DeepSeek AI DeepSeek version 4 Pro. So it will work like this. Okay, whenever you just run Claude, so we will run slash model, it will provide us the list of models, then we will select it here. But come here to the providers, it should be configured like this. Okay, just paste the API key here. For NVIDIA NIM, for Mistral, for the open router is already available, and for Code API, DeepSeek API, just give the API key and press apply, so it will apply that. All providers are listed. That's it. So now let's run Claude Code. So to run Claude Code, come here back and we will move to the top FCC server, and to run Claude Code, for that simply run FCC Claude. Let's copy this and open a new terminal. This should be running. Okay, leave it as it is running. Right click and open in terminal and paste this FCC Claude, so it will open the user interface of Claude Code for us. Then we can run all the models. As you can see, this is the user interface of Claude Code. And here let's search. By default, this NVIDIA NIM DeepSeek is selected. Let's press slash model. And here you can see the list of all models like DeepSeek version 4. As you can see, NVIDIA DeepSeek version 4 Pro, no thinking, and come here down, you will see the list of these models. So we are using NVIDIA DeepSeek version Pro. This one is no thinking, but the top one is with thinking. So let's press this. The DeepSeek version 4 Pro is selected. So let's search from this which model is this. Like this, press enter. Sometime it will take time because these top models are unload. Most people are using these free models provided by NVIDIA NIM. So that's why there will be load on this. It will take some time. So let's wait until it give us a response. So as you can see, it is just, look at that, is passed just in 20 seconds. It gives us an answer. This is DeepSeek version 4 Pro served through NVIDIA NIM. So that's it. So you can select any other model, just write the name of that model so you can use that model. NVIDIA NIM provide lots of models. So just come here to the NVIDIA and to the models. So as you can see, these are models are available. Just search which one you want, like GLM. So GLM 5.1 free endpoint and other. Let's search for Queen and KMake K2.6, that will be available. As you can see, KMake K2.6, all models are listed here. You can use these from NVIDIA NIM for developers. So that's what's it for the today video. As you can see, these models inside Claude Code. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button and also leave a comment if you have any issue, and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.